Ching, ching, ching goes the money tree. And every time it ching, money comes to me. It all flows in so abundantly. From the top, left, right, and up under me. Wave, 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 I'm a money wave. Money flow, money made. Flowing in and out, plus money saved. Debt, 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 all debt is paid. Ching, ching, ching goes the money tree. And every time it ching, money comes to me. It all flows in so abundantly. From the top, left, right, and up under me. Wave, 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 I'm a money wave. Money flow, money made. Flowing in and out, plus money saved. Debt, 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 all debt is paid. Ching, ching, ching goes the money tree. And every time it ching, money comes to me. It all flows in so abundantly. From the top, left, right, and up under me. Wave, 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 I'm a money wave. Money flow, money made. Flowing in and out, plus money saved. Debt, 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 all debt is paid.
Hey, what is going on, friends? Welcome to the midweek update of the $1,000 challenge, well, the new one anyway. And in front of us, we have basically the portfolio of all the robots except for 3 that I need to add, and how they've gone so far. So, closed profit total for 3 weeks is $3,342. And yeah, that is absolutely awesome. Cannot believe it. Return dollars per day excluding deposits. Yes. So the portfolio is going really well. There actually is no robot right now that has a balance less than $1,000. So they've all made money. But the thing is, it's still early days, and they are all they're all new robots to me except for my own, which was Parabolic. And yeah, so if you want to have a look at this, please feel free to go to fxblue.com/users/FXTM test 1, and you can have a look at all of the robots that are in here except for the 3 that I'll add. So I've got all of the 7 here already, and we've got the floating profit loss, free margin in use, and the closed profit loss. So it's all green essentially. Now the talk of the town is obviously Hedge. Now, one of the reasons why it is doing so well is because it is trading gold, and it has quite an aggressive strategy. And so that's the reason why it has made $2,115 in such a short time. So I'm actually thinking that it may blow the account soon enough, because gold is very volatile, and I myself lost a little bit on gold last week, which sucked. But I'll just see it as tutorial money, really. But the reason why it is it's making a lot of money is because it is trading gold, and it is an aggressive robot. So, but everything else pretty good. So I did change the setting on Goldnix. I saw that it was quite a stable. The trading strategy was quite stable, but a little bit slow. And I thought maybe we could up the lot size to 0.1 lots, just to see how it's going. And lo and behold, you'll see in a minute where it's up to, and it's actually the biggest drawdown I've seen it get in, which is what it is right now. So in over the 3 weeks, funnily enough, I started on a bigger lot size and we get some drawdowns. So so let's have a look at all of the robots and see how they're currently trading right now. So if you remember at the start of the week, FX Stabilizer was in a fair bit of drawdown, and the market came down enough for it to get out of the drawdown that it was in, and actually made some profit. So this week, let's change this filter to last week, which is this week. So we can see that it made $230. So it got to 0.80 lots, and the next one down was 1.6 because it is on turbo mode. It is pretty much doubling, so 2 8 16. So the next lot size was 1.6, which it didn't hit, which is good. And we made $230 this week so far. It's not currently in any trades. I think it might be having a breather. So it was stuck for quite a while. So we'll see what happens later on. It might go into another trade. It hasn't gone into another trade for a while, so for a couple of days. I think it closed, when did it close? On the 7th, and it's now the 13th. So maybe it's having a good break. I don't know. So we'll see what happens there. Now, this laptop, last night I gave it a fresh reboot because it did have some updates, and I reloaded everything all fresh, so that's why we can't see actually where the trades go and all that kind of stuff, but you kind of get the picture. Now, this is one I was talking about, which was Goldnix. Me seeing how it would go on a bigger lot size, and here we have a really good test. Now, just remember the demo accounts I've got here have a margin of 1 to 1,000. So even though we've only used 225 margin, and we've got a heap of free margin there, and that's because it's 1 to 1,000. But if it was 1 to 500 or less, might be in a bit of trouble running this lot size. The only reason why I did this is because I knew I had a lot of margin, and I saw that it got in and out of trades quite quickly. So I thought I'd see how it would go on a bigger lot size, just to see how it would go. So it seems like gold has, well, it's coming back up now. Look at that live. Oops. I'll zoom in a little bit. So we can see here live. Buy 0.15, and it's hit that, and gold is coming back up now, and the take profit is just here, and hopefully it will hit it and we'll make some profits. So we'll see what happens. It is moving up quite strongly now, so we'll have a look at the other robots and come back to this at the end, and we'll see if gold may have come up to close it, and we'll see how much profit it made. So we'll come back. And Hedge is currently in a couple of trades, and what is it, $3,115. So this week so far, we'll have a look. We'll have a look at what it did this week so far. Now it is Thursday afternoon here in Australia. Now it has done $371 this week so far. So these are all the settings. If you're wondering what settings this is running, all I think I've done is change this to XAU USD, because you've got to change this to actual pair that you want it to trade, and everything else I believe is the same. So that is where it is at the moment. At $371 is really awesome, of 0.01 in 1 day. But if you have a look here, it did get to 0.18 lots. So it goes 8, 12, 18, and yeah. So it handled the big moves. Main reason being for that, maybe it's because it had the $1,000 to now 3,000. It's got more margin to play with. So definitely recommend using Hedge on an account with at least 1 to 500 leverage or above. So you know. FX Scalper X. What do I think about this? Well, it doesn't use martingale, but we can see here that it was. Let's go out. Oh, this is first we can go out. Okay, so it was stuck in drawdown for quite a while. The market kept moving up on Euro USD, and where did it start? It started here. So on the 6th, it started trading. I'm going to call it all the way up to here. Its last trade that it needed to do was on the 7th, and basically Euro USD didn't really come down far enough for it to get out of any of that in profits until this crazy whipsaw that happened, I think last night, possibly, and now it is just consolidating here at this level now. So unsure which way Euro USD is going to go at this stage, but after that whipsaw, it's come back down, and now it is sitting down and consolidating before some big moves happen. I guess I don't know which way, but yeah, it looks like FX Scalper X traded maybe that whipsaw as well. So for this week we have it's made $9.12 of 0.01, which is okay. It was down, I think the most I saw it down was like $50 or $60 in drawdown. So that's okay, but like $9.12 really isn't much to be running a robot 24/5 on a $1,000 account. But in saying that, you know, it has made $33 since I started, so it hasn't really made much money at all in the 3 weeks it has been going now. Advanced Scalper, interestingly enough, has what is it? It's made $12.92, and yeah, not that great so far, I don't think. You know, there's better ones. And finally, Pinpoint actually made a trade today. It was today, I think, and it made $2.63. So, yeah, very slow robot. It doesn't trade it very often at all. I think I've had it going all this week now, and hasn't, or maybe 2 weeks, and hasn't really done too much. RFactor, interestingly enough, has made $76.08, and it trades all of these pairs. We can see here that, you know, it has, what are they? Like buy limits and sell limit orders, but I don't know if they all get triggered all the time. So we can have a look at that by having a look at the weekly history, and we'll sort it by time, because I've got it sorted by profit at the moment. 13th, 10th, okay. No, latest, okay. So this week it's made $29.64, and the lot sizes have been very small, except for some reason, Pound USD wants a 0.53 lot size. I've had a look through the settings and I can't see really much difference. So as far as I'm aware, these are the default settings, so I'm not sure why that is. But considering the amount of settings in this robot, it doesn't really... we'll see, because it looks like we need to get some better settings for this robot. There's heaps, absolutely heaps, and I'll just quickly show you how many there is. So these are all the settings for RFactor 1.64. Check it out. Heaps of settings. So I believe that that we could definitely get some better strategy for this robot, especially running so many pairs. USD CHF is just the FX Blue. So there we go. Ranger's made $9.06. Currently in a trade with AUD CAD, and it's down. It's copped a bit of swap. H1. It's been in that trade for overnight by the looks. So copped a swap fee and a bit of commission there. So yeah, it's got to do pretty good to make some profits, which it should. Parabolic has been going awesome. These are the settings it has been running here. So I've got a start lot. So this is Euro USD. Start lots is 0.02, range 15, max level 10. We are using a 1.5 multi, take profits $4, and everything is default, and it has made $145.05, and is currently in profit right now with Euro USD, and traded quite well. So quite impressed, and I think it could do better if you run more pairs. It has been handling all these moves very well, and yeah, I did lose all the trades that you could see on this whole chart here because I had to restart the computer a few days ago, so it was like yesterday. And last but not least, we have London Pride EA, which has made $15.48 since I started it at the start of the week, and it only trades at a certain time each day, and only 2 pairs. And the last, well, how long has it been going for? It's only done 4 trades, and that was the 11th and the 12th. So it's done a trade every day since I started it, which is only 2 days ago. And the other ones have been in profit, and these ones are currently in drawdown at the moment. So not sure what will happen here. It looks like pound USD is consolidating as well, so won't know until it goes down or up. But the stop loss is way down here, so I'm not sure how we go there with that. So, well, it'd be interesting to see how these next 2 trades go. And we'll head back to Goldnix. Goldnix is about to hit take profit if gold goes up a little bit further, so look at that. But it doesn't take much for it to go down a little bit. So there we have it. That is the midweek roundup of the current $1,000 challenge, and yeah, that is awesome. I am hoping to get some more videos out and be more active on the YouTube channel and Telegram where I can, and yeah, try and be more supportive where I can be. So if you find this this video interesting and you want to see more stuff like this, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps me out, get the channel out there. And if you want to share it with your friends, go ahead, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be notified of when I do send out these videos. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, which is in a few days. Thank you. Bye bye.